Are you tired of watching video after video and just realizing that backpacking is super expensive and that you can't afford it? Well, I have some good news, and backpacking doesn't have to be expensive. Budget gear can be just as good and effective as expensive ultralight gear. There might be some things that cost $100 more just to cut an ounce or two off your pack. In my opinion, that's not worth it. There are some bigger examples of like budget being able to save you a lot of weight in cases like sleeping bags. Like this bag is heavy. I want to say it's 4 or 5 pounds. Yeah, 5.7 pounds. This is a heavy sleeping bag. But you know what? The most comfortable nights of sleep I've had on trail were in this sleeping bag. This is like a $30 or $40 sleeping bag from Walmart. And I've never stayed warmer. This was very heavy and it took up basically my whole pack, but this was the first sleeping bag that I actually used for backpacking. There's nothing wrong with it. You'll notice in most of my videos, most of the gear that I'm using is considered budget. It's still not ultra budget. There is cheaper. However, I've tried to save myself a lot of money because I'm not made of money. And a great example of that right here is my tent. This is the Lanshan 2. It's not the Pro version because you got to seam seal that one. And sure, it's a couple ounces lighter, but it's more expensive. And for me, a double wall tent is more effective than a single wall when it comes to condensation. So why spend more for something that I wasn't going to like as much? Regardless of the fact, though, my first backpacking tent that I actually took out was, again, a Walmart tent. It was like $30. I'll try and put a video over here somewhere of it. I don't know if I even have one. But that tent was great. It was heavy, again, just like this. It was like 5 pounds or something like that. But it worked, and it got me out on trail. You don't have to have the most expensive gear. This is the cheapest cook set I own, and it's the best. I have the Toaks Titanium, 500 milliliter, or 550, I think 500, something like that. And then the BRS 3000T stove. This is $13. This is like 20 or 30. So you're talking a cook kit for only 40, 50 bucks, not even, that could do pretty much as good as any ultralight cook set that could cost you 2 to even 3 times that amount. A Jetboil set would cost you well over 100, and in my opinion, this works just as good. You get some stove fuel, and you're looking at like another 5 to 10 bucks, depending on where you get it from. This works great. But before this, you know what I used? I used a set that I got off Marketplace. It was just a cheap camp stove and pot. A little heavier than that, but I got it for like 20 bucks. So choose where you're going to spend your money. There are things that are worth spending your money on, like sleeping bags, for example. This one, I really don't want to bring this out on trail again just because of the weight. So if I were to choose at the very beginning something I would have spent more money on, it would have been a sleeping bag. But for your first trip or first couple trips, and you just want to get out in the woods, if you're not going that far, this doesn't matter. Another good example of something that I have that was extremely cheap was my pack. I used the 3F Uoil Gideon Pro, and it was like 70 or 80 bucks when I got it, and it's my favorite pack by far. Before that, I used a $30 pack off Marketplace. There are so many ways to save yourself a ton of money. You don't have to spend a lot to go out in the woods. You can just get some basic gear from Walmart. Heck, you can get so much gear that you can't even carry it in your pack and have to carry it in your hands. But if you're only going half a mile or something just for your first trip to try it out, see if you like it, heck, do it. Spend a little bit of money, not a whole lot. Just get yourself out in the woods. And another great way is secondhand, whether it be thrift stores or flea markets or Marketplace. I got a rain jacket for like 15 bucks. That's normally like 200 bucks, and it's great. But yeah, don't spend a ton of money on your gear if you don't need to. If this is going to be like a full-time thing for you and you really want to spend the money, go for it. If you have other priorities in your life and you need to save some money, save your money, spend it on gear that, sure, it's not the top notch, but you're saving 10, 20, hundreds possibly of dollars, and use that towards things in your life that you need to use it on, and then keep backpacking as a hobby without overspending on it. But, and I say this very importantly, if you're going to go budget, watch videos like these, watch videos across YouTube, listen to reviews, be careful. Spend your money on gear that's cheap, but also good. But yeah, what type of budget gear are you willing to use? Do you use, are you a beginner? Give me some comments about some budget gear you used and let everyone else know how it was. Have a great day, YouTube.